What is up, YouTube? So, just wanted to show you guys this opening fragment of a game that I played last night. White played Queen D2. I thought, well, I'm just screwed. If I come knight here, then H3, and the knight's trapped, best I can do is sack it for one of these pawns. So, played knight F5, and I was afraid of G4. Fortunately for me, my opponent didn't play G4. Played knight c3, but after g4 I thought, well, I'm just totally busted now because I can't go back, then it'll be lost. And if I come forward, say here, just knight takes knight, and I thought, well, I'm just done, but no, I'm not. Queen takes, counterattacking, takes away the knight squares with threat on the knight, and after bishop g2, excuse me, bishop g3, we got Queen e4 with this classic fork. Now, I'm sure if I showed you this position, most of you would see this move, but to be able to see it back here is a little trickier. And I think it's especially trickier when you're in the defensive mindset, where you're like, oh, he's attacking me, I'm losing this piece, I better sacrifice, or, damn it, I hate myself, I never should have gotten in this situation in the first place. I fell for this battery on the night before where the knight has no moves, I suck. Like, you get in a bad mindset. And one thing I notice about grandmasters is they're very good at finding attacking defensive resources and actually turning the tables when a weaker opponent would just give up, resign themselves to the loss of a piece, or maybe even resign the game. A GM will see this resource, see knight takes, queen takes, bishop g3, and then queen e5 check, queen e4 check, winning the rook. And of course, if knight takes, queen takes, this move isn't necessary, but what else is white going to do? There's no way to save the knight. I suppose he can sacrifice, maybe take with it the f pawn here. Yeah, bringing the pain on this diagonal could be good. So yeah, engine says just knight c3, and not only has white not lost a piece, he's gained a pawn. Along with grandmasters, computer engines are good to teach you this stuff because they literally don't have any fear, and they're just looking for the best move, and often the best move is a counterattacking move. So just a quick video showing you what happens in the actual game. After knight c3, I played e6. I got driven back, and here I made the dumb move, f6, which is good in some variations of this came from a c3 Sicilian. Some variations of c3 Sicilian for black, but here it's not really optimally timed. I should just develop my pieces, and I have an okay position. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and looking at this little tactic. I think it's important to look at your games, and especially especially a game you think you played, oh, I just played so bad, I just fell in for a cheapo, I don't even need to look at it. Well, sometimes you do need to look at it, because sometimes if you feel like you did everything right, maybe you did. Maybe you weren't actually losing, and in this case I wasn't actually losing. And now, if the situation happens again, I can play what I thought were okay moves with confidence, and then if I see something unusual, instead of feeling like a dope, like a horrible chess player that I'm just always getting into these bad positions, maybe it's not that the positions are so bad, maybe it's just that you need to expand your creative and tactical horizons. So, hope you got something out of this. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, etc. Peace.